a Slovenian girl brought here, and my boys and I are on another snowy adventure, this time in Andermatt. Andermatt is a lovely ski resort that can be found in Ursern Valley in the Swiss Alps. In the winter time you can do all sorts of winter activities here, like skiing, sledding, cross-country skiing, but we went sledding. Because we've been sledding with a toddler, we chose the family-friendly sled run from Nätschen to Andermatt. Family friendly. Some areas of the sled run are a little bit flat, so you have to walk, but some others are really cool. They're steep, but not scary steep. This is really cool, family-friendly sled run, but it has only one mistake. It is shared by skiers, and this can be quite dangerous. After sledding, it was time for lunch. Richtig.